What's up everyone? Here's our new fridge. It just got delivered. Our old one broke down about 2 weeks ago. So we had to use this little thing. It's a small one, we borrowed it from an uncle of mine. So, and now we have this one. It's a little bit smaller than what we had before. As you can see, still empty. Still some of the plastic holding it all together in place. So, here it is. The new fridge. It has to sit here for about 6 hours. Oh, hey, I didn't even see these little things. I'm gonna have to take all these out. Every shelf has them, I see. Why don't we just... It's a sort of a unpacking video. There we go. A lot of those wedges to keep these plates or shelves in place. Oh, more of this stuff. Still got a lot of work to do. Have to clean it. I'll probably do it because no one else will at the moment, because I'm the only one at home. So yeah, what do you think? Our new fridge. Alright, so I removed all the plastic tape from all the shelves, and they are still stuck in place, and that's a good thing. You'll have to lift the back side up and then pull to get them out. I'm like, damn. Now I have to, oh shit. Now I can't put them back in with one hand. Of course, I can't. So I'm just gonna set it down right here. There we go. And I'll put it back in when I quit the video. So yeah, these are pretty stuck in place as well. That's good. So far, this new fridge is perfect. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.